You're watching the News Hour at 9. Debate number 2 on Times Now. Super Prime Time.
My first question goes to MC Abbas, who actually supports the Aam Aadmi Party. MC Abbas, I want to ask you, even if I do say that I understand the context in which Mr. Arvind Kejriwal, voiced his concerns about the next wave affecting India's children, you would watch what you are saying in a formal comment on an international partner.
Simple point that I'd like to derive is by reading out to you the Education Minister, Mr. Chan Sung Chin of Singapore, who said that this new variant indeed has been affecting children. The children are more susceptible to this. Also leading to this, the Minister for Health made a statement that all schools, junior colleges will be closed as day by day Singapore, we are reporting higher cases. So respective diplomats of Singapore, no matter how much ever you try to hide, the truth is out there. Yes, this new variant, which is the B1617, is affecting the children. And let me tell you, Navika ji, I'm not interested in being a member of any political party. But today, Arvind Kejriwal ji has taken a legit step today. Even if our ties bitter by saving one life of a child, I'm a father to a daughter, and I tell you, even if one child is saved, we can say goodbye to the ties of Singapore. So legitimately, Modi ji must take a step. Under 18 years of people, the children must be given a vaccination. The flights must and should be banned from Singapore. Dr. S.J. Shankar, you can do as many ties as you want, but we cannot risk the lives of the Indian children. And let me tell you, I can quote all the newspapers, all the dailies, all the news channels, tagging Times Now of all the media houses in Singapore who are time and again saying 30, 40, 100 children day by day are being affected by this virus. So please forget the politics and let's save our children. Congress party, AAP party, BJP party, come together.
Abbas variant to hai.
No, I'm sorry. You're not. Let me complete, ma'am. With all due respect to you, yes, as per stated the reports, B1617 in India and Singapore are only to be the same. But let me tell you, the World Health Organization latest report, I plead them to show the variant. Why is Singapore children affecting much more than the Indian children? So therefore, there is a difference, ma'am. There is a difference between that. And I'm quoting the Health Minister of Singapore and I'm quoting the Education Minister of Singapore, who have time and again said that there is susceptibility among the children.
Gaurav Bhatia.
Nowhere in the tweet, Navika ji, Arvind Kejriwal calls it a Singapore variant. Second point, where was Modi ji? Where was Gaurav Bhatia? Where was the government of India? When Singapore diplomats called it, where was BJP? When Singapore diplomat called it,
I think we are deviating from the debate.
Let's speak from both sides.
Okay, make the quick one.
Quick counter.
Go on.
Gaurav Bhatia ji,
go on, MC Abbas.
You are a brilliant spokesperson, I must tell you. जब अरविंद केजरीवाल ने सिंगापुर वेरिएंट नहीं कहा उनके ट्वीट में, कहां का सिंगापुर वेरिएंट,
छोटे भाई का आना पड़ा सिंगापुर में आया कोरोना का नया रूप, बच्चों के लिए बेहद खतरनाक.
You're not listening to my question.
मैं बता रहा हूं आपको.
My question to you is, when the Singapore diplomats called it, okay, allow me, sir, allow me.
What is this business to comment?
Allow me. You are running away from my question. The people of India are running away.
Do you
answer me when the Singapore diplomats?
No, not like this. I'm asking you a question.
Why did the Modi government take offense on that?
I'm asking you.
Why did you take offense?
Well,
you take offense.
How does he get the power under which constitution?